Good morning kids. I hope you all are fine. In the previous video we have started our chapter number 5, that is food and digestion, and we have talked about many people eat different type of food, and the food we eat, the food the human beings eat that contain useful substances, and those useful substances are called nutrients, which provide nourishment to our body, which help us to grow, to stay healthy. In nutrients in food, we have discussed there are 5 nutrients. The first one is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins, and apart from these we are having roughage and water also. So the nutrients that provide us energy, carbohydrates and fats, they provide us energy, they provide us instant energy. So the food products which are rich in carbohydrates and fats, they are called energy giving food, and just like glucose, they give us instant energy. And we prefer carbohydrates over fats because fats are not easily digestible. They will take so much time in the digestion, so that's why we prefer carbohydrates. Next one is proteins. They are bodybuilding food. They help us to grow. That's why the small children, they need more protein as compared to the adult. Next one is minerals and vitamins. Vitamins help our body to fight against diseases, and minerals helps in the formation of our bones, teeth and blood. So they are called protective food. And we have also talked about that roughage. Roughage is a kind of fiber. It doesn't provide any kind of nutritive value to our food. Then why is the need of roughage? Roughage helps in the functioning of digestive system, or we can say to get rid of the undigested food, roughage helps. Next one is water. Water is essential for our body टू फंक्शन प्रॉपरली. हमारी प्रॉपर फंक्शन, बॉडी की जो प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग है उसके लिए वाटर क्या है, असेंशियल है. इनफैक्ट द 70% और वी कैन से 3/4 ऑफ आवर वेट, जो हमारी बॉडी वेट है, दैट इज ड्यू टू द water. And to stay healthy we should eat balanced diet, a diet that contain all these nutrients in proper amount, water and roughage also in the right proportion, in the right amount, that is called balanced diet. And we have also talked about the digestion, a process of breaking down of food into simpler form so that we can get the energy. And how the digestion process happens, we have also talked about. Process of digestion starts at the moment when we put the food in our mouth. With the help of our teeth we chew the food, and the saliva that is secreted from the salivary gland, it mixes with the fruit. And what is the function of saliva? The function of saliva is it changes the insoluble starch that is present in our food into soluble sugar. That's why we are able to feel the sweetness of our food. After chewing the food, it passes through the food pipe into the stomach, and there in the stomach, that is, digestive juices are present that break down the food into the simpler form, or we can say the digestive juices in the stomach break down the protein present in the food into the simpler form. After simpler form, it pushes into the small intestine. In the small intestine there are juices of the small intestine, the juice by the liver and juice by the pancreas. They all pour in the small intestine, and in the these juices by liver, pancreas and small intestines juice, they help the food to completely digest. These juices help to completely digestion of the food. After complete digestion, the food looks like a liquid, and the blood vessel which are present on the walls of small intestine, they absorb the digested food. And वो digested food को absorb करने के बाद क्या करती हैं, they carry it to the all parts of the body. After digestion there will be some left out undigested food, और वो undigested food कहाँ पास हो जाता है, in the large intestine. जो blood vessels जो है present है, कहाँ present है, large intestines की, they absorb the extra water from this undigested food, and the semi solid waste, जो semi solid waste undigested food जो है वो बच गया है, that passed out through the anus. वो क्या हो जाता है, it removes from the anus from our body. In the previous video I have told you to do this try these checkpoints. So let's talk about them. So the first one is food rich in carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food, body building food or protective food. They are energy giving food. Roughage is the dash. Roughage is the fiber, fat, protein in our food. Roughage is a fiber. Digested food is absorbed by the blood vessel of the. जो digested food है वो कौन absorb करता है? Small intestine, stomach और large intestine. Digested food is absorbed by the small intestine. And next one I have told you to try these also. Milk, eggs and pulses helps in our body to grow. Yes, they helps in our body to grow. Rice, jaggery and potato prevent us from falling sick. False. They are energy giving food. They are not vitamins or minerals. Fruits and vegetable gives us energy. False. They help us to fight against diseases. We should drink plenty of water. That's true. Is preparing food, so write date over here. We eat raw as well as cooked food. Raw means as it is, जैसे हमारे पास food आया है, that we can eat that food or sometimes we cook the food. Fruits and certain vegetables are eaten raw. Fruits जो हैं, certain vegetables जो हैं, we eat them raw ना, ऐसे ही हम लोग खा लेते हैं without cooking them. So we should, and when we eat fruit or some kind of vegetable, mamas always say ना कि हाँ उन्हें wash them before eat. So we should wash them properly before eating, so as to free them from dust and germs. क्यों हमें wash करना चाहिए? So that they can become free from dust and any kind of germs. Other type of foods are cooked before eating. So there are some food which should be cooked before eating. So some foods rich such as rice, potato, they are boiled. We can't eat rice raw na, and not as well potato also. So we should boil them before eating. Idlis are steamed. Idli क्या होती है? Steam करते हैं हम idlis को. Puris are fried. Puris फ्राइड करके ही हम ईट करते हैं. पोटैटोज, ब्रिंजल एंड मीट, दे आर समटाइम रोस्टेड. क्या करते हैं? हमने रोस्ट करते हैं, डीप फ्राई करते हैं. कुकिंग मेक्स फूड सॉफ्ट, टेस्टी एंड easily digestible. What is the purpose of cooking? It makes our food soft, tasty and easily digestible, so that we can easily digest them. It also kills the germs of food. And cooking क्या करती है? It also kills the germs of food. Now there are things we should remember while cooking. Do not throw away the water in which pulses are soaked. जिसमें हमने pulses जो हैं भिगो के रखी है, मम्मा pulses भिगो के रखते हैं ना थोड़े टाइम के लिए. We should not throw that water because it contains vitamins. वो क्या कंटेन करते हैं? पल्सिस के जो वाटर है जिसमें हम पल्सिस सोक करते हैं, that contains vitamins. So that water should be used for cooking. Do not wash vegetable and fruits after cutting them. First before eating, wash them. Otherwise after cutting them, do not wash them. जब आप कट कर दोगे बच्चों, उसमें जो प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन्स हैं, they will also wash out. While boiling, take just enough water. जब हम बॉयल कर रहे हैं किसी चीज़ को, we should take enough water so that water which has dissolved the nutrient is not thrown away. जितनी नेसेसिटी है उतना ही वाटर लो. और जो चीज़ हम बॉयल कर रहे हैं उसमें क्या है, उस वाटर में क्या है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है वो डिज़ोल्व हो जाएंगे. अगर आप वाटर जो है वो थ्रो कर दोगे, न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी सारे वॉश आउट हो जाएंगे. सो दैट्स वाई टेक इनफ वाटर वाइल बॉइलिंग सो दैट न्यूट्रिएंट्स विच आर डिज़ोल्व इन द वाटर दैट डजंट गेट वेस्टेड. Do not overcook. We shouldn't overcook the food. Too much roasting or frying, जब हम काफ़ी डीप फ्राई कर देते हैं या काफ़ी ज़्यादा रोस्ट कर देते हैं, that destroy the nutrients. So next is preserving food. Food is valuable. We know food is essential for our life. If it is not preserved means to maintain something in its original or existing state. maintain करना किसी चीज़ को उसकी ओरिजिनल स्टेट क्या है या फिर जो जिस स्टेट में वो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. It may begin to spoil. If we don't preserve the food, it will begin to spoil. मतलब वो ख़राब होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. The process of ट्रीटिंग फूड इन द वे, प्रोसेस जिस फूड को हम उस वे में ट्रीट करें सो दैट वी कैन प्रिजर्व इट्स वैल्यू, जो उसके हम न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं उन्हें बचा के रख सके फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम इज़ कॉल्ड प्रिजर्वेशन। कि जो हम फूड के जो न्यूट्रिशन है उनको सेम उसी स्टेट में रख सके जैसे वो बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में आई थी फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रिजर्वेशन। कुक्ड फूड and uncooked food can be preserved in different ways. How? Let's say मिल्क है हमारा, हम उसे कैसे प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं? बाय बॉइलिंग. देयर आर सम बिस्किट्स, वी कैन से if we are having biscuits or namkeen, how we can preserve them? when we put them in the airtight container. airtight container में जब हम उन्हें रख देंगे then we can preserve them. next one is pickling. pickling जब हमें पिकल जो होता है, पिकल्स में हम क्या डालते हैं? अचार, वो सॉरी नमक डालते हैं ना, तो उससे क्या होता है हम काफ़ी टाइम तक पिकल को ईट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ पिकलिंग. जेलिंग में क्या होता है बच्चा? एक काइंड ऑफ सॉलिड होता है जो जेल की फॉर्म में होता है, स्पेशली वो शुगर से बनता है, तो उससे भी क्या है हम लोग स्पेशली फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स जो हैं वो हम जेलिंग फॉर्म से, जेलिंग काइंड ऑफ प्रिजर्वेशन मेथड से हम उन्हें सेव करके रख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ड्राइंग. ड्राइंग में क्या होता है? मेथड ऑफ फूड इन विच फूड क्या है? प्रिजर्वेशन का एक मेथड है इन विच फूड को हम क्या करते हैं? ड्राई करके रखते हैं. उसमें से जो एक्स्ट्रा वाटर होता है वो क्या हो जाता है? एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्चर जो होता है वो क्या होता है? रिमूव हो जाता है, और जो हमारे जो बैक्टीरिया हैं या जर्म्स हैं वो ग्रो नहीं कर पाते. दैट्स हाउ वी प्रिजर्व द फूड यूजिंग ड्राइंग. नेक्स्ट वन इज we can also preserve food in the refrigerator. So that's how we preserve the food. So this was all about our chapter number 5, food and digestion. What you have to do, you have to read the whole chapter and this quick recap section also, and you have to try part A, B and C in your book. And you have to do and learn activity. What you have to do, there is a clue box, you have to label the parts here. Okay, so read this chapter and do the given book work.